Hello, folks. How are you doing? Welcome again to Gatos FX channel. Today we are going to take a lesson for this trade, which actually went wrong. I've been stopped out with this trade. I've been very much honest. I even have posted it in my social media here in my Instagram page. And I say that as a businessman, you have to treat every loss as a lesson. So don't take it as a punishment. Just treat it as a lesson. Because after reviewing the reason for loss, I came to realize it was only the early entry buyers. Because direction-wise, this pair is still buying. So I was just got into the market early. I wasn't looking at some things very keenly enough. So looking at these lows, of course, I have this tendency as part of my trading management plan. When a pair is stopping me out, I don't trade that pair for at least 2 days or even a whole week until I realize what went wrong so that I could avoid the direction bias. Because when you are stopped out because you just bought early, you perhaps may be thinking to sell the trade, but look, that price could be still going to buy. Just you entered early before the potential areas of interest for reversal or continuation. So you would have been even double being stopped out. So I don't like that. That's why I just left this pair to continue moving until the time when I realize it is good now to watch out for what went wrong. Actually, I have had analysis of this pair on 16th April. It was 16th April. 16th April was which day? Which day this month? Today is 26, 10 days after. And the 16th was on Tuesday. It was Tuesday the past week, right? So this is when I was doing this analysis and I was anticipating the price would have come to take this trade here, 2 hours zone and COC liquidity. But things didn't go as I planned. I have had a little bit of profit and then boom, I was smashed out. So I just took a lesson to look at what went wrong. What went wrong? Why did I being stopped out? Then I came to realize it was only a matter of early entry. It was a matter of early entry because if I look very much clear, perhaps I could see that at these areas, yes, we have these higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Then price, in fact, came to form a base here because if we want to do a very nice and super back testing, we have to neglect these candles here. And you see, ever since we have had these strong dailies on here, we have these week's rejections, you're having this tweezer bottom. So all these cells came to retest at this tweezer bottom. That's the point number one. And point number two, there was this daily time frame hidden WRL liquidity located at this area. But it would have been very wise to be patient to wait for some things to occur. Because if you just took the entry here, perhaps the overthrow could be very huge with the coverage of about 69 pips, and we don't take 69 pips for risk to reward ratio. So the good potential thing was to look at this area, the area of interest, and an area of interest to see what were the key liquidities which were found within this area so that we could say, yes, this price came to the test, because it's very important to understand that since we have had these laws of structure, which gave us the base here, and you are having this is a hammer at the same area, it's a hidden WRL liquidity, and the same way there is a bottom. So coming to 4 hours time frame, then I came to realize that, all right, now we have had these 4 hours you see liquidity. This is where exactly this price came to retest. Although this you see liquidity was out of the daily time frame PFC zone, but measuring the overthrow risk to reward pips, it was about 43 pips, and perhaps for with my strategy eventually for the trade which I have been formed out from the higher time frame, I could even risk 40 pips maximum for the trade which I take out of those higher time frames. So perhaps you could see now I'm still hoping that this price will eventually continue to buy. It will continue to buy. Today is Friday, so I don't want to bother myself with looking for other opportunity. I just keep cool and remain chill to see what will happen next week. Perhaps I'll just be waiting for some patterns to happen, because I see the trend is going above. it is very good now. Looking at daily time frame, the candles of Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday has given a very potential bullish reversal pattern. We are having here a morning star. We are having a morning star which have been formed after the price went to retest the daily price floor and the price ceiling zone. So perhaps maybe I will be keep on watching this pair for the next week to have a further continuation. I'm hoping I will revenge my trade because I just lost 30 pips. So I'm coming to these highs. I'm hoping to get 100 plus pips for the next week. So it's very important to treat every single loss you get as a matter of lesson, and instead of just being there and complaining like, oh, I have been stopped out. So treat it as a lesson so that next time you get to learn and improve where things went wrong. So guys, thank you for watching or listening, and this is Getos FX. Welcome and see you again next time. Bye bye. Most of it, ciao. We'll continue to meet here another time.